Hello everyone, take the hairs on the top, take the hairs from the sides as well and join them by this. Now join them in the between again and fix all the hairs in the between and it's ready. Next tie the hairs on the top, now take the hairs from the sides, join them in the back like this and then fix the hairs into each other and your hairstyle is ready. Next tie the hairs on the back by making the plaits like this. Now take the hairs from the sides, join them on the back, repeat the process, fix them into each other and it's ready. Take the hairs from the sides, tie it and then rotate it. Now join them on the back and tie them together like this. Now take another section of the hairs and fix it by rolling it upward like this. Make a heart-like shape in the between and it's ready. Next, take the hairs from the sides, tie the plaits on it and then follow the same step for the other side. Tie them on the back like this. Repeat the process, tie the hairs on the back and rotate it and it's ready. Next, tie a high ponytail, divide it from the between and then rotate it. Now fix it on the top. Now tie the rest of the hairs, fold it upward like this and fix it and it's ready. Next, tie the hairs on the top and then rotate it. Now take the hairs from the sides, join them in the between and then rotate it like this. Fold them upward and fix it in a heart shape and it's ready. Next, tie half of the hairs and then rotate it like this. After that, divide the hairs into two parts and make the plaits. Now fold them and make a heart-like shape, fix it on the downside and it's ready. Next, take the hairs and tie it on the back. Now repeat the process and join them and then rotate it and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.